Okay guys, welcome back Foxtecc community, welcome back to another insightful session on our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for iPhone users, and it is how to determine how to see if your iPhone screen is original or not. Stick around as we unravel some valuable insights that could save you from potential pitfalls. So let's kick things off with the recent iOS update, because there are some things you should know. It may be the features I'm going to show you are not going to work for every single person which uses the iPhone. It is only limited, so unless you have like a very old iOS version like iOS 14 or an iPhone older than iOS 11, it's probably not going to work what I'm going to show you. Basically, so this is stuff that you should know about. So navigate to the iPhone settings like this and scroll down to the general section. So basically just come back to the main one and scroll down to find the general right here. Now tap on the About section, which is at the top. So tap on the About, and there are some things in here which you're going to be happy to know about. So here you'll be able to find information about your iPhone's display, specifically whether it's an original or kind of unknown part. This is where you need to pay attention to. If you spot an unknown part, it's going to be a subtle warning that your display might not be the real deal. And it's a heads up worth noting. So you may be able to find it somewhere around in here. You may notice that there are some things which you perhaps notice that are not original. So you're going to be able to see it somewhere in here that your device has some kind of not original part. So this is very important to check it out. And this is basically how it works. The next thing to pay attention to find out if your display is original or not is the True Tone display check. So basically, Apple's original displays come with the True Tone feature, which is going to enhance your visual experience. To check if your iPhone display is up to par, swipe down from the top right to access the control center like this. And keep an eye out for the True Tone option. You're going to be able to find it when you hold down on the brightness slider like this. And here is the night shift. It's easy. The dark mode as well are going to work on a non-original display as well, but True Tone is very tricky. It's going to work only on the original one. So if it doesn't work, if you see that it just doesn't get turned on, if it's grayed out, or even if you turn it on, it does not work, chances are that your display is probably not original. It's probably not authentic. But yeah, you also can talk about the compatibility with iOS 17 and 16, because True Tone is a feature that aligns itself with those specific iOS versions. So if you're rocking an iPhone 8 or a newer model, ensure that this is something that you can pay attention to. Again, if you have an older iPhone, like something like an iPhone 6, you don't even have the True Tone feature. So this is what I'm trying to point out in here. But basically, these are the two things that you should know about and pay attention to. Okay. Before we wrap up, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. So let me just show it to you right now. You can join it for free. It is a platform I created. It's going to be linked down below in the description, so you can go ahead and find it there. And inside you can find and watch many exclusive courses and stuff which you don't find anywhere else, which is, for example, the in-depth dynamic island guide. So this is something that you can watch right here. It's very cool and everything. So this is something to pay attention to. And yeah, you can join it for free, so it's definitely worth taking a look at. For now, thanks all for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will see you guys later in the next tutorial.